Now our game is almost complete. We can move our spaceship, we can avoid the asteroids, but when we hit an asteroid or when we hit our planet, nothing happens. We're going to work on that. So we're going to head back to our spaceship and we're going to add collision detection. This means that when our spaceship touches anything, it's going to do something else. So to start off, we can head over to events, when flag clicked, then we're going to head over to control, forever, and then we're going to grab an if then and place it inside the forever. So when our flag is clicked, if something happens, then the game will do something else and we're going to tell it what to do. So we're going to head over to sensing, and the first option is touching, and we're going to place that in the middle. So if touching, and we're going to set what it must touch. We're going to click this little black arrow and click on sprite 1, and then we're going to head over to looks, and the first option is say something for 2 seconds, and we're going to place that underneath. Okay, and we're going to click here, delete everything from inside and change it to say something like oh no, and we're going to change 2 to 0.5. And finally we're going to head back to control and grab a stop all. So what this is going to do is whenever our spaceship touches an asteroid, it's going to say oh no for 0.5 seconds, and then it's going to stop everything in the game. But at this point it's only going to work for asteroid 1, and we can test that out. So if we touch this one or this one, nothing's going to happen. Only if we touch asteroid 1, it's going to work. So we need to add in all of the other asteroids in here. So if you go back to sensing, we'll notice that we can only put one touching inside here. So we're going to need something called an operator. By clicking on the green tab, you'll find an operator function called OR, and it's got 2 empty slots. So we're going to click that, and now we're going to place these touching pieces inside those diamonds, and we're going to need another one. So now we have 3 spaces for 3 asteroids. So we're going to add the touching, and we're going to change this to sprite 2. Oops, we didn't put this in there. There we go. And we need one more touching for sprite 3. And there we go. Now we're just going to grab this entire thing and place it inside the if then. Now if our spaceship touches sprite 1 or sprite 2 or sprite 3, it's going to say oh no, and it's going to stop everything. Let's test that out. And there we go. It works perfectly. Let's try to the second one, and there we go. Finally, we're going to add the function for the game to stop when we win the game. So we're going to do the exact same thing we've done before. In fact, we're just going to right click on this whole piece on the flag part and say duplicate. And then we're just going to remove all of the extra touching, and we're going to remove the OR so that we're just left with touching and earth. And then we're going to say yay for 0.5 seconds, and then we're going to stop all. Let's test that out. Okay, so we're gonna try to make it through the asteroid field. And there we go, we won the game.
Thank you for watching this lesson. If you're interested in doing more awesome courses like this one, check out our website. Link is in the description below.